Memory is our current knowledge of that which has preceded this moment in time. A fragmentary record to be sure, but essential in identifying who we are, and profitable as we travel on the current of time into the future. It's fitting to pause and consider the threads which connect the past to the present. How do we remember? This summer, as the historic Indian Agency House celebrates its 90th season of remembering, come along with us as we embark on an exploration of how history is preserved and conveyed through time. Ways of remembering are as varied as they are fascinating and colorful. Mark your calendars for a season full of events, education, and hands-on activities which uncover the links that tie the present to the skills and the stories of our past. Along the way, you'll come to a better understanding of what can be done today to continue the stewardship of our heritage for the benefit of future generations.